Good evening to one and all. This is Yagya and I Pankaj. Today we are going to conduct a fruitful debate topic on I am in the favor of public vehicles and he is in the favor of private vehicles. So I am going to raise a first point. If we are using public vehicles or public transport, so it will reduce the environment pollution.
I agree with you, bro, that it will reduce the pollution, but pollution is happening by industries.
But somewhere if you are using your private vehicle, so it will also impact on drastically impact on our environment. And if we are using private vehicles, so it also impact on money. Like we have to pay for parking, maintenance cost, fuel, and many more kind of costs are also increased.
But it is one-time investment. If we buy one time our vehicle or a car, so it is one-time investment. We can go anywhere. If we are going anywhere and suddenly we change our route, we have to change our destination, so we can easily change. But if we talk about public transportation, first we have to reach the definite station and then we have to change the route from there. It can save our time. And my first point is emergencies. What about emergency? If any emergency occur to us, we have to go anywhere in night. So it is far better than to take a bus or train, because for bus or to train we have to go the station and it will take time. But if we have car, so we can just go to car and we can go anywhere.
You are right somewhere. In emergency case, if we have private vehicle, so we can easily go here and there. But do you not think about it like public vehicles make us more active? Like if you have to go somewhere, so firstly you have to reach station by walking, by cycling. So it will also maintain our activity also.
I agree with you, but there are so many elders, there are so many old just think that your mother and father, you are at the age to earn and your father and mother is not able to work properly, so you will take them from bus station, so they are not able to.
I am agree with you somewhere, but I am talking about private vehicles are more beneficial in that condition if you are more elder and if you are disabled. But a lot of impact it affect on our environment and many more kind of, like if I talk about accident, a number of accidents occur by the private vehicles because number of youth are going to flaunting and this kind of activity also increase accident. If I talk about the public vehicle, if you can anywhere here, like public vehicles doesn't affect on our environment also.
I agree with you with this point that there are so many people who are flaunting their car and they are meeting with accidents. It is absolutely right. But what about those persons who are not flaunting, but just because of this they are getting, but they are becoming bad. They are coming in bad conductivity.
But do you not think if we are using public vehicles, so it will also impact on our infrastructure? Number of jobs will be increasing in our future if we are using public vehicles.
How?
I can give you an example. Like if you are using public vehicles, so number of jobs increasing. That correlate just because of number of drivers will be hired from governments, and it will also impact on our infrastructure as well as. If we have to go somewhere, so government will release new kind of initiatives and buses and trains also.
But there are so many drivers who also drink and drive. What about this? They don't see and they drive the car.
I think it's a exceptional case. If I talk about the private vehicles, a number of drivers are skilled less. They don't have proper experience and they have not a proper skills how to drive cars. Just number of people are learning, but they are using their cars on. It's also increase accidents also.
I agree with you. And my second point is privacy. In public vehicle, you can see there are so many thieves. There are so many thieves are coming and they steal the people people material, their phone, their purse, their bags. What about this? But then if we talk about a private vehicle, we have safe in vehicle. We can go and we are also comfort. But in public vehicle, we are not comforted. We have to sit properly and sometimes we have to stand. But if we talk about our own vehicle, we can sit easily. We can sleep. We can watch mobile. We can do anything.
So do you not think about it like it's also spoil our career, like our lifestyle. So we are becoming more lazy day by day just because of it. If we are using public vehicles, so we will be more actively participate. Like we have to concern about our materials, whatever we are carrying.
I agree with you, but what about the privacy? There are so many people who are stealing their material.
Yeah, I am not denying you. I am agree, but somewhere I am agree. But it will also impact on us. Like we will be actively participate. Like we will be encourage our environment also.
But if what we are opening our bag to take something and and the station come, he catch and run. What about?
I think this kind of things not happens if we are paying attention properly.
Bro, it is not exceptional case. It happened with all people in metro. Generally, the people are standing on the door. When the door closed, they steal their bag. As happened with you, you went to Delhi and your phone steal.
No, my phone was not happened like this. I think it's just cringe video. These are increasing just for getting famous and many more kind of views, just kind of things. That's why this is increasing. It's not a real video. You are talking about only a social media. It's not a real life fact.
No, bro. You have to agree with me that these incidents are happening with all the people. It is not the valid point that it has happened with in my relationship also. There are so many. My maternal uncle met an incident with this. His phone steal in metro station. It is not the exceptional case.
Okay, do you not think about if we are using public vehicles, so lot of business, local shops will business are also increased. Yeah, if you are traveling in a train, so number of salesmen come in trains and they sell their products, so it's also increase our business.
But I agree with you that it increase employment. But what about these business, these shopkeepers sell local things. I can agree with you that it will increase employment, but they use that any brand, like you can see.
Our main motive is increase employment, and do you not think about it? Number of due to private vehicles, road is always if we are going somewhere, so we face a lot of traffic just because of private vehicles. If we are using public vehicles, so traffic will be reduced also.
How if we reduce the private vehicle, so public vehicle will increase, so it will also create traffic.
Yeah. In public vehicles, a number of people can go sit together and go here and there. But you are going in a private vehicle, so one person will be run their car only for one man. Instead of that, you can use public vehicle.
As you said that
it also wastes our time also.
No, as you said that if we use public vehicle, so we will, traffic will increase. So
yes, yeah, road congestion will increase.
But if we decrease the rate of private vehicle and increase the rate of public vehicle, so the traffic will also increase. The large number of buses and
okay. So now we are concluding our debate. So as I was agree his point, and somewhere he was agree with my point. So I think private and public vehicle both are important for us. They are playing an important role in our life. It's somewhere private vehicles are good, and somewhere public vehicles are good. Thank you.